Hello everyone, welcome back to Shwetapedia. So as you can see that I've got a lot of breakouts. So for this breakouts, I've been trying and using many of the home remedies. I went to dermatologist also. So I've been applying some of the ointments which dermatologist had prescribed me. My friend recently suggested me to try moisturizer, toner and a face wash from Requil. So recently I purchased a lot of things from Requil. Since you all know that I do curly girl method, so I ordered this Requil hair mask, murmur conditioner, and so for my breakouts I have this face wash, a pore refining toner and oil-free moisturizer. With my purchase I got the sanitizer free. So first I'm gonna try this oil control face wash. This face wash is for oily acne prone skin, non-comedogenic with zinc, PCA, soap and sulfate free. It is dermatologically tested. For best results, use minimum 2 times a day. Wet the face with water, squeeze out button size portion and gently massage all over the face. Rinse thoroughly and pat it dry. Next up is oil refining face toner for oily and acne prone skin. This is non-comedogenic, alcohol-free 9 botanical extract for visibly reduced pore. This toner provides tightening and refining pores. It is 100 ml of the product and costs Rs 350. It contains witch hazel, aloe vera, seaweed, white cress, lemon, sage and many other things. I will give the ingredient list in the description box. It is antifungal, antibacterial, antiseptic properties to minimize acne. Regular use of this toner helps to minimize appearance of pores and tends to leave a smooth and even skin texture. This alcohol-free toner protects your skin from drying out and does not strip the skin off. I'm using my hand for application. You can use cotton pad or ball. Next up I have is oil-free moisturizer for normal to oily skin, non-comedogenic. It is lightweight and fast absorbing. Non-greasy formula that works great for normal, oily or a combination skin. It gets absorbed easily into the skin and leading to a smooth finish. Being oil-free, it does not just deliver hydration but also acts as a perfect base while prepping up skin for makeup application. This product I got free of cost with my purchase. Massage desired amount of product onto a clean toned face. I use it twice daily. So this is my acne prone skin looks like. So since I have oily combination skin, it is sometimes oily, it is sometimes dry. So I maximum times use products which are oil free. These products are oil free. So I will use this product for 15 to 20 days and I will see whether my pimples are still there or not. I will give you a feedback about these products, whether it worked for me or not, and we'll meet soon after 15 days. So it's been 15 days I've been using these products from Requil. So first I was using oil control face wash. So as you can see that I have got no active pimples, and the pimples which I had earlier, the dark spots are there but there are no active pimples. So for this I was using oil control face wash from Requil. This is 50 ml of the product and cost Rs 150. I will give the ingredient list of this thing in the description box. So after face wash I was using this pore refining face toner. This is for oily and acne prone skin. So this is the product looks like. I absolutely love using this. The results are actually great. There is 100 ml and it costs Rs 350. I will give the ingredient list of this product in the description box. Next up is this oil-free moisturizer. This is also for acne prone skin, and trust me, these products works wonders for me as my all pimples and breakouts are gone. and only the dark spot pigmentation is there and there are no active pimples. I give it a huge thumbs up to Requil, and I absolutely love using these products. This oil-free moisturizer weighs 30 grams and costs around 150 rupees. I will give the ingredient list of this product in the description box. I've also received a thank you card from Requil. I'm thankful for Requil for sending these things across. It was very needful for me because I was getting pimples breakout and I was so concerned about my skin, and now I'm very happy and my skin is now thanking me, and also my skin is thanking you. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's shwet.opedia. So we'll meet soon on my next video. Bye bye.